She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be Pride Month inspired. In this case, as you all know, June is Pride Month, so I am happy to celebrate with everyone. Equal love to us all. So for honor of Pride Month, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick little breakfast tart that you might be familiar with. But I'm going to go ahead and make some homemade Pop-Tarts. Now in this case, like I said, these are going to be Pride themed Pop-Tarts. So we could call them Pride Pop-Tarts. But they are definitely going to be something that you want to go ahead and give a try and easy to do. So if you guys are ready to get this recipe started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. If you can, please share this video out. I always appreciate the extra support. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder.
Alright guys, so here's my take on some quick and easy homemade Pop-Tarts that you're able to make. As you saw, I used grape jelly filling and also a little bit of my ube filling, which I am falling in love with. If you guys haven't tried ube, you definitely should give it a try. These are fun and a versatile snack that you're able to make. You don't have to use the colors. You can just use the regular pie crust if you want to, or you can make your own. In this case, I just took a little simple step to make it just a little bit easier. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also guys, please go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the recipe. Share this video out. Share this video out. I can't say that enough. Thank you so much for all the support. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget about that bell next to it so that you're notified of every single time I drop a brand new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching.